Today, I want to introduce you to an incredible opportunity here in the Edison Park neighborhood of Chicago. This amazing Georgian home is located close to shopping, restaurants, and everything the convenience of city living has to offer. Welcome to my newest listing at 7047 North Olcott in Chicago. Built in 1939, this Georgian architectural style home is all about simplicity and proportion. Most Georgian style homes were built on double wide lots, and this is no exception at a lot size of 50 by 147. Georgian homes get their names because they resemble the stately townhouses and manor homes of King George's reign in the 1700s. And there's so much to love about this home. Gleaming hardwood floors throughout, with great big western exposure windows with so much natural light and a cozy fireplace. The spacious dining room connects both the kitchen and family room. Open and bright floor plan with 3 bedrooms on the second level. And a recently remodeled hall bath. And there's so much opportunity in the partially finished basement. I'm sure you'll appreciate having multiple garages, one attached and another detached 2-car garage. Both are connected by this spacious backyard, perfect for hosting summer barbecues. Enjoy everything that this highly desirable neighborhood has to offer, located near dining, shopping, and Brooks Park with easy access to public transportation and the Metro train stop. And all this convenience at your doorstep. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to be the first to get notified of all our fabulous listings.